What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. We are in a home that is being constructed right now, which means one thing: we're at the best in the business. We're at the Wichita Home Works today. Nate, the president, thanks for being with us today, Nate.
Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, a lot of people around here, all hands on deck. I feel like
we
for
got a
this
lot going
house.
on.
Yeah, tell us about what you guys are doing here.
Yeah, so this is a smaller slab-on-grade home, also known as like a patio home. And as you can see, we're getting some flooring in right now. We've already got all the sheetrock done. We've got our lower cabinets in. We still got some uppers to put in. Got the countertop set. Our next stage will be to start trimming it out and hanging our doors, and then we will be painting. So,
Painting, okay.
Yeah.
So let's kind of walk through here a little bit and show off what this one's going to look like.
So
what
off the front here we have this would be the second bedroom. So like I said, this is a smaller home, so it's just a 2-bed, 2-bath. Got some nice natural light in here. Good sized closet still.
Yeah.
And then out here we have what would be kind of our living space, dining area, obviously the kitchen area. Gonna have lots of cabinets, still have lots of storage room. Then we have a main bathroom right there. So tub shower combo with the vanity and toilet. And then this is gonna be mechanical room, so nothing too fancy in here, but it'll also serve as the laundry space. And then this is the master suite. So nice big master bedroom. And master bathroom. With a custom onyx shower. And then a nice big walk-in closet. And we got this cool sliding glass door off the back. So there'll be a little patio space back there.
Yeah, absolutely. I think this is a great reminder too, Nate, for me and our viewers, that this is really, I feel like one of your guys' just true expertise, kind of down to what you guys do is home building and home constructing, things like this. Whether you're looking for that 2-bedroom house or you're looking for that 6-bedroom house with, you know, you guys do everything in between as well.
Yeah, so that's the beauty of us being a custom builder. So we don't build any spec homes and then hope they sell. Stuff like that. We have customers come to us. We help them walk through designing a floor plan, designing, you know, all of the ins and outs of the project, no matter how small or how big it is. And then, you know, we end up here.
Yep, you guys hit it out of the park every single time, no matter what you guys are doing here right around Wichita. Tell us how people can get more information and get their home build started with you guys.
So they can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com or give us a call at 316-303-4485.
Thanks for being with us today, Nate. We appreciate it.
Thanks for coming out.
We have more Good Day Kansas coming up next.